Hello friends, welcome to our famous, well-known, creative, innovative and popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on Python machine learning such as face recognition with emotion detection, then face recognition with emotion from image using dlib library. We have also seen chatbot using Python long back ago and many more videos on machine learning. I am little bit back with videos on machine learning using Python. So today's video is about storing the data set in the MongoDB database. This is the first time I am storing the data set in the MongoDB database. Up till now we have seen lot of videos on Python machine learning, but I never saved the data in MongoDB database. But today I will be saving data set in MongoDB database. I will be using ResNet library, which I explained in my previous video, latest video, then which is used for face encoding. Then I have used Pillow library, which is used for extensive file format support. Now we will go through the program. First of all, we will go through the main file, that is app.py. So py Mongo, the modules drivers needed to load for the connectivity, then recognition, then dlib library is used here because we are using face recognition. Data train, that will display the data set. Recognition, particular recognition of the person. Then I showing you the seeder file. So here these are the names of data set which I am storing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will execute the program. Python 3 app.py. Yes, so now hello world is displayed. Now so these are the data set which I have displayed. Now I will show you this data set in the MongoDB database. The name of database is face recognition. First of all, show DBS. The name of database is face recognition. Use yes, then show collections. Yes, encode, which is encoding is done using ResNet model. Now db dot encode face dot find. Yes, so different data set are stored in MongoDB database. Now I will point out the ID. Now the name of the person is Mohammed Mosuki, and then that's that. So I will copy the ID and I will paste in the browser Yes. So this name has been displayed. Yes. And 128 and this thing. So I successfully done with face recognition with storing dataset in MongoDB database using Python with Flask. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, Python, if possible, Python connectivity with React.js for face recognition, and many more videos on Python using machine learning. Also, I will be back with more creative videos on cloud, OneStack, full stack, Node.js, React.js. Thanks for watching.